I mean, we made an edible Prism Powder Jolly Rancher bowl with our own shaped Jolly Ranchers and pure imagination. What? Fancy Sprinkles just released their limited edition Pure Imagination blend in celebration of Lisa Stelly founding Fancy Sprinkles 4 years ago. Let's give it up for Lisa Stelly. Pure Imagination is based off Willy Wonka, who we love.
You should open your mouth a little wider when you speak.
Okay, let's go. So you're gonna take your Jolly Ranchers and you're gonna just start unwrapping. Oh, hello? Oh yeah, you can just leave it outside, thank you. I love a good doorbell ring.
She's a nitwit.
We heat your oven to 350, and now we're gonna throw them in the oven for like 10, 15 minutes.
Here we go again.
Back to our gorgeous, just gorgeous, Pure Imagination. Guys, do you see the way that these pick up these? Do you see? It's all about finding things that pick up other things. Wait guys, I think we can take it out now. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is not a drill. Get oven mitts, because last time that was a problem. Ow, use the oven mitts. Oh my God, it's like a puddle of mud, but it's just not a puddle of mud. Okay, so we're gonna be using our ruby red, fool's gold, amethyst purple. Now, I'm not really sure how to do this knot in a bowl, but I'm really just gonna try and, this is so pretty. So I feel like I'm just kind of doing more of a tap method with the spatula. I think that this is gonna be good enough. I don't even think we need to put her back in the oven. Okay, so now when we take our guy right here and we put her here, okay, trying to mold her around this bowl. Oh, she's hot.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh, she's hot.
I really wouldn't.
Ow, ow. Oh my God, ow. Bakers are so brave.
Always goes wrong when we come to the dessert.
Somebody remind me my oven's still on.
Always.
Okay, it's actually not that bad. So I think you honestly just need to wait for it to cool down a little bit. And then you mold it against a glass bowl. I'm gonna put her in the fridge. Wow. Okay, so now you're thinking, okay, Chandler, now what? We have our molds. Oh, and we just happen to have 4 little mugs. You're gonna take 4 Jolly Ranchers, so it looks like this. We're gonna put her in the oven for 30 seconds, check on her, and then we're gonna put her back in. Also, do you like my Fancy Sprinkles merch? Fancy meringue. Okay, who's calling me? Somebody from Michigan. It looks like this, okay, and you pour into the mold. This is what the molds look like. Okay, so then you just decorate. And now we're gonna do purple, like so. We have our cherry, we take out our blue.
Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
And we pour. So, we have our Jolly Ranchers all filled out in their molds. We're gonna put them in the freezer, and then we're gonna take them out, we're gonna put Prism Powder, and then we're gonna put them in our bowl. I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Okay, send them on their way, wish them luck, tell them to make friends, and then we'll see them soon. It's like sending your kids to preschool. Okay, so now after I took them out of the freezer, and I'm taking a little Fancy Sprinkles brush, dipping it in diamond white or whatever you want, and I'm just kind of like slightly tapping it on.
If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it.
What? I mean, look at how cute they are. Time to see how our bowl's doing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I did it.
You did it!
I did it.
You won!
Oh, she's so beautiful. Look at this bowl. Oh my God, it's like swan. It's like a swan.
It's perfect. It's unbelievable.
It's a miracle.
Put her on your coffee table. Let her hang out. Let her hang with the gals in the other bowls. Like, she can chill. At first, you're just like, oh my God, I love your bowl. Like, where did you get it? And then you're like, oh my God, wait, is this candy? Wait, is this holding an edible candy bowl? And everybody's like, yup. And you're like, yup. And then everybody screams because this is crazy.
What's it taste like?
Incredible. Wow. I really went for it. Oh my God. Wait, it's so good. I mean, you don't look cute eating it, but it's so good. Oh my God, we're doing a bowl shot in the bowl.
It's the greatest thing that's ever happened to me.
Guys, what a great week. Congratulations, Fancy Sprinkles. 4 years of just pure imagination, inspiration. Anyway, guys, I love you.
Good day, sir!
I'll see you next week, okay?
I said good day!
Okay, bye.